Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of my Game Devlog series. So today I've got something exciting to show you. Some big updates to the building system in Empires of the Skyclad Realm. Now, I've been working on a new progress bar mechanic that adds a lot of polish and functionality to the game. Plus, I've made some cool improvements to the way time is displayed, and I think you're going to love it. So, let's get into it. First, let me quickly recap where we left off last time. If you have been following along, you will know that I have already built a system where you can click on a plot and a UI pops up showing the buildings you can construct. Now, if you don't know about this, you can just go to my YouTube channel and check the older videos by yeah. So from there, select a building, opens another UI that shows all the resources needed to build it. Pretty straightforward, right? Yeah. Well, today I'm taking it one step further. Now, when you click build on a particular building, the UI closes and a progress bar appears. Now, on the screen, this progress bar shows how long it will take for the building to finish, and it starts counting down immediately. Now, I think this adds a really nice touch to the game. There's something satisfying about seeing your progress in real time. To make this happen, I use the combination of a fill, slider, and a handle, and I have to give credit where it's due. Now, I found an asset on the Unity Asset Store by Genial Villa Cote. Well, I don't know whether I pronounced it properly or not. I'm gonna just put their asset link in the description. You can just click on that link and get into that Unity Asset Store and get the asset. Well, if you're working on a similar project of what I am working here, you can just use this progress bar. I have used only the green color progress bar, but there are many more actually, which is in red color, and there are buttons, switches, and there are so many. So yeah. Now, here's the fun part. When I first got the progress bar working, it only displayed time in seconds. That was fine for short builds, but it got really awkward for long ones. I mean, who wants to see 3600 seconds when it could say 1 hour? Correct. Yeah, right. So I fixed it. Now the progress bar shows time in a way that actually makes sense. Seconds are displayed as seconds, minutes as minutes and seconds, hours as hours, minutes, and seconds. And for really long builds like days, it shows days, hours, and minutes. It's a small detail, I know, but I think it makes a huge difference. Now, when you see 1 hour in 3600 seconds, well, most of the people will not get that flash that it is 1 hour. So they have to go through the towers, I mean calculator. They have to put 3600 divided by 60. So all this fuss is not required to a player to do it. It is the first to do, should be done by the game developer. So yeah, that is me actually. So I've done that. By the way, I've been thinking about doing something new for the channel. Since I've been using a lot of free assets in my project, I thought why not make a series showcasing the best free Unity assets out there. So I have to give credit to those people too. So if we are using their assets, we have to be thankful to those people. Why? Because my game is coming to life because of their help. And moreover, I'm not very good at modeling or asset generation or something like that. I'm very much bad by doing those things. So that is why I should be very much grateful to those peoples. So it could be a mix of tools, shaders, and maybe even 3D models. I will be showcasing all these assets in the future videos. Maybe in the next video only. I hope so. If I'm not busy, by the way. So I know how helpful these resources can be for indie developers like me actually. But to be honest, making asset generation is actually a very big task. So that so if that's something you would like to see, let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any favorite assets you want me to review, drop their names. I and if possible their links. Love to check them out and to give a review. And I'm not a critic, by the way. I'll be just checking those out and I'll be telling you what can be done with those assets. I won't be telling whether it is good or not. That is not up to me. So yeah, looking ahead, I have some fun plans for the progress bar system. One thing I want to add is animation, like the building slowly coming to life as the bar fills up. This I've been kept on pressing from the last videos actually. So yeah, I'll be doing that, but not now. I'm not planning on doing animations as soon as this progress bars is done. Why? Because there are so many things I have to put the animations. So yeah, and I've changed the background. Maybe in the next video you will get to know about that. I've changed the background completely. Why? Because it was not much of a helpful for this game actually. So I changed that. So yeah, now maybe like the reach now. By the way, I've been thinking about doing something new. Yeah, I told you about that. Like creating new asset videos and all. So yeah, if that's something you would like to see, let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any favorite assets you want me to review, drop their names and love to check them out actually. On another note, I have noticed something about my videos. The reach is improving, but which is awesome actually. But the click-through rate, which is CTR, and could be better actually. Why? Because I think it's time to shake things up for a bit. For future dialogues, I'm planning to add more storytelling. Maybe talk about the challenges I face and the thought process behind certain features. I feel like sharing more of the behind the scenes journey might make these videos more engaging. So, what do you think? Would you enjoy seeing more personal insights or maybe even tutorials on specific mechanics? Let me know. I would really appreciate your feedback. So, yeah. Uh, Looking ahead, I have some fun plans of the for the progress bar system. One thing is I want to add is animation, as I said. So like the building slowly coming to life as the bar fills up. I think that would add a lot of personality to the game. I'm also planning to add tooltips to the UI so players can get more info about each building before deciding to construct it. These might seem like small updates, but they all add up to create a more polished and immersive experience. Now, as you can see in the video where I am working on a progress bar, it's still showing so much of errors, and if I play also, it is like that slider is not working properly. So working on it. See there, the handle is not showing there now. I'm working on how to get that handle. Now I got the handle, but the handle is getting stuck there once the progress is done. So all this problems is faced by game developers only. So you might be knowing the pain in, yeah, you would be knowing what I'm gonna say. So that you would be knowing about it. And yeah, so I just waited for a few moments to take a piece out. Why? Because I was actually getting frustrated that handlebar was not at all helping. So I checked in Google how to do this. I asked ChatGPT. Maybe ChatGPT is not much of a helpful. It always like gives. Sometimes it gives correct codes and sometimes it doesn't give. So I had to work on the given codes. Now next, well, if you're liking the video, please do subscribe, comment, and like. I would appreciate. Well, to be honest, my fun part in game developing is actually coding. I love coding, and most of the people does actually. The people who are into game development, they have to like to code. There is actually visual scripting and all, but I'm not into that. I am more like a person who codes actually, not into visual scripting. The person who doesn't like to code, then they have to go through that visual scripting. Not for me, by the way. So yeah, all right. That's all for today's devlog. I would love to hear your thoughts on the progress bar mechanic. Do you think it feels intuitive? Is there anything you would change or add? Drop your feedback in the comments below. It really helps me improve. And the game and these videos, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really means a lot. Also join my Discord community at Sharat Game Dev to connect with other developers and gamers. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy gaming and happy developing. Thank you.